Welcome to our channel. In the last session, we discussed the program Pascal Triangle 1. What happened in that program? They given the number of rows. Based on the number of rows, you need to display all the rows of the Pascal triangle. Now they simply change the question. What they are given? They given row index. You need to return the row index row of the Pascal triangle. Okay. What is the meaning? Suppose they given row index is equal to 3, return the row at the third index. And remember, they said the triangle starts from 0th index. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Suppose if the row index is 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, the output is simply 1, 3, 3, 1. Now you already know the procedure. How do we construct a Pascal triangle? Along with the construction, you are returning the corresponding index. Now observe. Suppose if my row index is equal to 3, you no need to construct the fourth row. Previously, you are constructing the entire tree. Now the loop is repeated up to the row index only. Anyway, I will show you practically. First, what is the condition? If row index is equal to 0, means at 0th row, directly you have the answer 1. At 0th row, you have the answer 1. Only 1 is written. Suppose if row index is equal to 1 for the first row, why I am writing 0th row and first row? For this, no calculations are not at all required. Simply you are getting the answer. The first row, what is the value? 1, 1. So written 1, 1. Now coming to the point. Previous program, I am repeating a loop until the number of rows. Here, you need to repeat the loop until the given index. So, for storing the result, I am using some variable res. Initially, it consists of the 0th row. Why? If you are coming to the for loop in the sense, this condition is false, this condition is false, the minimum second row, that is the first row, this row onwards, 1 to 1 row onwards. So repeat the loop for I in range of 1 comma. I am starting from 1. Why? Because the 0th is already placed here. The 0th is already placed here. Row index plus 1. Why? You need to consider up to row index 3. If you are writing 1 comma 3 means they are calculating up to 2 only. That is the reason I written plus 1. You know that one. What is the first step? Append the left side. Simply, I am taking one row. What is the value? Initially, a value 1 is taken. That is the leftmost element. After that, to calculate the next element, j in range of 1 comma I think you remember, pass. Here I am doing the calculation of middle elements. Anyway, once the middle elements is completed, what you are doing? Row dot append of 1. Observe. By this, what happened? So, initially, row is equal to 1. Initially, row is equal to 1. Suppose this loop is not at all repeated. Row dot append of 1 means for this I am adding 1 comma 1. This is the first row. Observe, this is the first row. Why? My I starts from 1. Suppose if you want to get the second row, same procedure. Initially, row is equal to 1. Within the J for loop, you are doing some calculations, and after that, I am appending a value 1. 1 comma 1. Middle, you are doing this value. How do you get the values? The sum of, I am at the second row. Suppose 1, 1, 1. 1, 2, 1. Sum of previous two values. Suppose if you are at third row, 1, 3, 3, 1. How? I am at third row. You are getting the value at the previous row, that is I minus 1th row. This is column number 1. Which one you consider? I minus 1 and j minus 1. That means this element is added with I minus 1 and j. Once the adding is completed, this is appended to the row. And this is appended to the row. At last, you are adding 1. Now, in place of pass, row dot, directly I am appending the value result of I minus 1, j minus 1 plus result of I minus 1 with j only. So once you are completed, res dot append of the corresponding row is added to your entire results. Like this, you are constructing the Pascal triangle up to the row index. In the previous example, also same program, but you are constructing the Pascal triangle up to the number of rows. And in the previous example, what you written RES, that is written the entire triangle. But here you need to return only the corresponding index row. Clear? Observe the minute differences. Accepted. And submit. Submitted successfully. This is the another variation of Pascal triangle. Thank you.